The Jamaica Fire Brigade have estimated the damage caused by a fire at the Hydel High School at $50 million. The fire at the school was discovered sometime after 7. Kirk Wright reports.
Officials from the fire department say they got a call about 7:45 that there was a fire at the school and turned up to see the upper section of the administrative department ablaze.
You would look at it to say it's just one building of the entire compound. But the nature and purpose of this building will tell you that it is bad, because our preliminary estimation is that we have lost $50 million in damage, and we would have $150 million at risk when you look at the structures that are around and the exposures to this fire.
The fire was contained to the administrative building, but the losses include an undetermined sum of cash, important documents, and computers, among other items. Principal Samara Salmon says this will not greatly impact the school's operations.
We would have been able to get some things out, but right now it is just relocation. We have other offices on the compound that can facilitate the operation, so we have to just do some relocation. So we know that by Monday everything will continue as is, registrations, things like that.
The firefighters are still trying to determine how the fire started. It's not known if the building was insured. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.